family, you're getting a beautiful view of Lake Volta and the mountains behind us. We're at Akosombo in the eastern region, and we're at our beautiful resort, Afrikiko Riverfront Resort. And I'm going to give you a good view of the resort, and we're just going to talk to a few people and find out how their experience has been on this wonderful resort for the past 2 days. Right over here we have the beautiful chalets. Nature is definitely alive, a lot of greenery. Got the breakfast slash dining area. More rooms and suites. It sounds like they're getting ready for a pool party. Music jamming right there by the pool. We got some volleyball, and now we're looking at some more rooms. And this resort is very laid out, and it's also part of village slash community. Afrikiko Riverfront Resort. Join the journey of a lifetime and enjoy paradise. Yes, Righteous, come and give the people a holler for a minute. Everybody's patiently waiting and ready to roll to the next destination. Righteous,
Yeah,
how many times have you been to this place? How many times have you been to Afrikiko Riverfront Resort? All right, excellent, excellent. Does it get better every time?
We are good to go, good to go, good to go. Right, people? See you in the bus.
Yes, family. So come and join the journey of a lifetime. Enjoy this beautiful resort. And also, we have one of our brothers that work here. How long have you been working here on this resort?
I've been up here for the past 6 years.
All right.
It's a wonderful place to be, and it's a wonderful place to work. I like the way people come around, especially this tour group. We really enjoy them when they come around. They really make us feel very good.
Excellent, excellent. So you remember us the past several years.
Yes, please.
Excellent, because we come around the same time, every October, November.
Thank you very much.
All right, my brother, appreciate your energy, and you take care. And we catch you on our next journey of a lifetime.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Georgia, come say hello to the people, greet the people and say goodbye.